Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are so excited. We are bringing you the ultimate in comfort food. We're talking tomato soup with grilled cheese croutons, and we are using our favorite tool of all time. Yes, all time, the immersion blender.
We're going to start with two 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes that we have drained, and you're going to reserve the liquid from this. Just put them onto a baking sheet, and these are going to roast in a 425-degree oven for 20 minutes. So we're going to heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. To that, we're going to add 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 stalks of celery chopped, and 1 garlic clove minced. This is going to cook for about 8 minutes. Then we're going to add 3 cups of chicken broth, the reserved tomato juice, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And most importantly, add your roasted tomatoes. We're going to bring this to a boil and then lower to a simmer and cover for 30 minutes. Are you going to let go of this? Like, do you want to help or no?
No. I'm going to hold on to it because there's so much to say about this. It's my baby. It's my best friend. It's my best friend in the kitchen, other than you, of course. Really simple to make these croutons. We have 4 pieces of bread, and we're going to spread either softened butter or margarine over all sides. Add a piece of cheddar or any cheese you prefer, and then we are going to put it in our skillet. Whoa. Grilled cheese is ready. We're going to let that sit, and I am finally going to let you use the immersion blender. These are golden beauties. Well done.
Thank you for your help.
I know.
The encouragement is all I need. First, we just have to remove the bay leaf, and then
Are you gonna reach in there and get it?
I will.
Okay. I am having a tomato soup facial, everyone. This is the new thing. So instead of transferring this to a blender and burning and splattering and all those horrible things, I'm just gonna take, I don't know if you've seen this yet because I've only been holding it the entire video, but the immersion blender, I am putting it in this amazing smelling soup, and watch. It does all the work.
Okay.
Not yet, just 1 more second.
So the good news is you cannot over puree here, so.
And the great news is to clean, oh boy, it's just got really bad. Great news is to clean this, oh, it's still slippery. And the great news is to clean it,
Done.
right in the dishwasher.
So to finish off the soup, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter.
It's a creamy soup without the cream. So this is good for you too.
And then we have 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh basil.
Which Lisa grew in her garden, I'll have you know.
So it's really fresh. So we are basically done. We're gonna cut up our grilled cheese into croutons, and away we go.
For this amazing recipe and many more that Lisa created because she's amazing, check out Bite Me. Yes, bite me, ladle me, spoon me, all of the above.